Acupuncturists don't just use needles for treatment. There are different techniques and modalities they use as well. Like this, like this, like this, and like this. Let's get into it. First, we have traditional acupuncture, which is the most well-known form of acupuncture, where we insert thin needles into specific points along the body's energy pathways, also known as channels, and by restoring the body's energy flow, also known as qi, traditional acupuncture promotes healing and balance to the body. Next, we have electroacupuncture. This technique involves attaching small electrodes to acupuncture needles and delivering a gentle electric current. This is often used for pain management and also enhances the effects of traditional acupuncture. Another technique is acupressure. Similar to acupuncture, acupressure is focused on specific points and applying pressure to those points with your hand, your finger, or a specialized tool. It's a needle-free alternative for treatment, which can be used for self-care or used by a practitioner. Now, let's not forget about auricular acupuncture, also known as ear acupuncture. This particular technique focuses on stimulating specific points on the outer ear and is shown to be effective in treating addiction, pain management, and addressing emotional and mental health issues. Now let's talk about scalp acupuncture. This particular technique focuses on threading needles into specific areas on the scalp to treat neurological and musculoskeletal conditions. For the most part, it is used for stroke rehabilitation and pain management. Next up, we have Japanese acupuncture. This approach places emphasis on a more subtle and gentle technique with shallower needle insertion and very minimal manipulation. Japanese acupuncture places a great deal of importance on touch and palpation to treat the body's imbalances. Moving along, let's explore the Korean hand acupuncture. In this technique, the hands become a microsystem representing the entire body. With stimulating specific points on the hand, an acupuncturist can treat various conditions of the body. It's truly fascinating. That's it for the techniques. Now let's delve into the modalities. Moving on to cupping therapy. With cupping, heated cups are placed on the skin to create suction. This promotes circulation, relieves tension, and promotes healing. Don't worry about the temporary marks. They'll be gone in a few days. But if you have a wedding or you're going to be in a photo shoot, you may want to defer it into the following week. Now let's talk about moxibustion. This treatment involves the burning of mugwort herb, also known as moxa, near a specific acupuncture point. The generated heat stimulates the point and promotes healing. Moxibustion is effective in treating menstrual disorders, digestive disorders, arthritic pain, lack of circulation, and just general pain. Moving on, we have gua sha. This technique involves using a smooth-edged instrument like a spoon or a specialized tool to scrape and stroke a specific area on the skin. Gua sha helps to release tension, increase circulation, and alleviate pain and discomfort. Let's not forget about tuina. Tuina is a form of therapeutic Chinese massage. Tuina involves various techniques such as kneading, rolling, and stretching to stimulate points and channels. Tuina is very effective in releasing tension, increasing circulation, and just relaxation. Medical Qigong is an ancient practice that uses gentle movements, breathing techniques, focused thoughts to balance the body's energy called Qi. By doing these exercises, it helps the body heal itself, strengthens the immune system, and improves overall well-being. Tai Chi, an ancient Chinese martial art, often described as meditation in motion, due to its slow, graceful movement and focus on deep breathing. This practice promotes physical, mental, and spiritual harmony. It can improve balance, flexibility, and coordination, and making it particularly beneficial for seniors and individuals dealing with joint issues. Regular Tai Chi practice can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Traditional Chinese medicine nutrition therapy uses specific foods for maintaining health and balancing the body. This approach emphasizes the eating of diverse foods to nourish the body and support organ function. The selection of food is based on the energetic qualities. So from a Western standpoint, we're talking about calories, but we're talking about the thermal qualities, the yin and the yang component of these particular foods. There are foods that are rich in yin, rich in yang. There are foods that are helping to nourish blood, and there are certain foods that are assigned to various diagnostic organs: the heart, the spleen, the lung, the kidney, the liver. These particular organs have a particular taste that are associated to them. So bitter foods nourish the heart. Sweet foods nourish the spleen. Pungent, spicy foods nourish the lung. Salty foods nourish the kidney. Sour foods nourish the liver. So depending on what organ is hyper functioning or hypo functioning, there are certain foods that are assigned to these organs to maintain balances. If one is deficient in yin, or if one has a lot of heat in their body, you don't want to promote or give them foods that are going to promote more heat. If somebody has a lot of cold in their body, you don't want to have them eat certain foods that are going to produce more cold. So it's all about the balance and the health effects. So for personalized advice, everybody is different. I advise you to consult a TCM practitioner or a nutritionist for more in-depth herbology consultation. If you're interested in acupuncture, consider consulting with a qualified acupuncturist. They can guide you on the most suitable route for your treatment needs, whether it's traditional acupuncture, electrical acupuncture, electroacupuncture, or acupressure. They can guide you on the most suitable modality or technique that is suitable for your condition or your chief complaints. These various practices offer benefits rooted in ancient healing in a modern twist. Now, if you have any comments or suggestions for videos or any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Click on this video right here, and remember, be well.